everybody. Hi. We are starting off this week's Vlogmas in the car. I am on my way to brunch and I'm just happy because I love a good brunch. Like, I love brunch food. It's becoming my favorite type of food. I don't know if it's because I'm back in Atlanta and Atlanta is a brunch city, but brunch is slowly becoming my favorite type of food. We are heading out to go eat with some friends. We are going to Bomb Biscuits Atlanta. I've seen this place on TikTok and I can't wait to try their biscuits. They look so good. I'm excited to go eat. Like, I don't know if y'all have picked up on this yet, but I am an eater. Like, I love to eat. I am excited for Vlogmas Week 2. It's gonna be a fun one. We have lots of things coming up this week and then I am excited, and let's head out. Alright, so I just got to Atlanta and I'm about to head to the restaurant. I just parallel parked. I'm so proud of myself. The parking is on the side of the street and I just parallel parked into a spot between like two cars, and I did it on the first try and I'm so proud of myself. My daddy is gonna be so proud of me. Hey y'all, I just got home from work. I still have my hat and scarf on, but I ran to my front door because I just got a temu package. It is not any package, okay? This is like a Christmas holiday themed package that I'm so excited about. I'm trying to find my box cutter. Hold on. All right, so I can't find my box cutter or my scissors, which is really annoying. So I'm having to use this like eyebrow razor. All right, I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is my dress for Christmas Sunday at church, period. I can't wait to try her on. Ooh, my goodness. Hopefully she fits. Ooh, she looks short. We'll see. Got a pink scarf. This is so cute. Oh, I got some pajama pants because we're having a Polar Express day. We're having 2 Polar Express days, which is kind of funny. But I got some pajama pants for the first Polar Express day. And these are the second pair of pajamas that I got for the second Polar Express day that we're having. So, aren't they cute? They have little candy canes on them. I got this really cute like holiday shirt, Christmas shirt. Look at that. How cute is that? Oh, I'm so excited. This like shirt with like these fuzz balls on them. And this is gonna be for candy cane day because we need to wear like white and red. So I got this. It's so cute. I got a whole bunch of accessories, okay? So, ooh, I'm gonna be talking about this later on in the video, but I got some gifts for my coworkers. Okay, I got these little pointer fingers for my classroom. I don't know if you can see them, but they look like this. And you can just extend them and point to stuff. The one I had in my classroom broke. I got a whole bunch of Christmas earrings. Look, I'm trying to go all out. Christmas is my favorite holiday. They say Merry Christmas. How cute is that? And then I saw one of my coworkers with these They're like little Christmas tree earrings. And then these ones say ho ho ho. And they're red, yellow, red, white, and green. Did I go overboard? Maybe a little. Maybe just a tiny bit. These are some candy canes. These are some more Christmas trees, but these are pink. So stunning. Look at that. And lastly, I got some gingerbread earrings. These gingerbread earrings, how cute is that? I'm very excited. That was a very, very festive haul. I'm so excited for Christmas, you guys. Y'all, hello. It's been several days since I last picked up the camera. I think the last time I picked up the camera, it was last week, Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's been a week since I picked up the camera, which is crazy. But y'all, I have been suffering. I had a sore throat and a bad cough, and also like sinus problems. Yesterday, Sunday, I finally went to urgent care and they told me I have an upper respiratory infection, which my mom, who's a nurse practitioner, she said basically it's like bronchitis. And so I have been just out of it. Like, when I say out of it, I mean out of it. I've been in this hoodie for a while. I have been in this hoodie for probably 3 days now, like out of it. I didn't go to work today because I thought, you know what, let me just give myself a day to rest. And I'll probably go back tomorrow, but it's gonna be interesting with this cough. And they gave me so much like medicine, steroids, nasal spray, 2 different types of cough medicine. Like, it's been a very interesting time. I am about to go over to my small group. I'm about to meet with my small group, and we're gonna do a little Christmas party. It's gonna be really cute. We're gonna do white elephant gifts. We're gonna do like Christmas like games and like a charcuterie board theme, Christmas theme thing. It's just gonna be really cute, and I didn't want to miss it, so I'm gonna take some cough medicine. I'm gonna head out to go there. And so I wanted to show you guys, if I could talk, I'm going to show you guys what I got as my white elephant gift. So I went out on Saturday with my mom and my grandma. You'll probably have already seen that, but we went to Ross and I was searching and searching. I thought I was just going to do like a little like gift bag full of like random stuff, but it really wasn't coming together. And then I saw this. It's a mini waffle maker and I thought it was so cute. And our price range was 10 bucks. What? $10. So this was $8. So I thought that was cute. So that's going to be my white elephant gift. This vlog was supposed to be like a vlog of me telling you all of like my gifts that I'm giving this year, what's on my wish list. I was supposed to do like a big gift guide in this video, but again, I got so sick. And then what makes it worse is that the coughing makes it hard to talk, as you can hear. So it's not like I can just, you know, talk and talk and talk. So yeah. I'll probably still do all of that in this vlog, hopefully, if I feel better by the end of the week. And then this vlogmas will probably just go up super late. I am so sorry. I'm gonna go take a shower for the first time in God knows how long, and I'm gonna get ready to go out and have a fun, festive evening. And I have to find a mask. I'm gonna wear a mask tonight. Probably shouldn't even be leaving my house, but I gotta get out, so. Okay, so hey everybody. It is Saturday afternoon. It's like 12, almost 12:30, and I feel a lot better. There's going like, I'm still coughing, but it's gone down a lot, and my sinuses are starting to clear up. The thing about being sick is that like everything kind of falls apart because you haven't been attending to stuff. So like my room's a mess, everything is just a mess. Trying to catch back up. Today I have an event to go to. My friend is having her graduation party this afternoon, and so I'm trying to get ready for that. I took my hair out. If you remember, I had my hair in the half up, half down hairstyle, and I took it out because it was getting old. Here's the thing, it was a quick weave. The thing about quick weaves is that like, it's in the name, like it's meant to be a quick hairstyle. I was trying to stretch that hairstyle and I should not have done that. So all the glue and the product that the hairstylist used just got into my hair, and it was a lot. It took me a long time to take that hairstyle out yesterday night. This morning it took me an hour to go through and like comb out all the glue. It was not fun. The soap has just been sitting in my hair, and I'm about to go wash it out and then condition, and then we're gonna try and do a wash and go. I have never done a wash and go before, so this is gonna be the first time, and I'm excited. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but yeah. Whenever I do my hair, I like to do a clarifying shampoo. So this is the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. I don't even know if it's a clarifying shampoo, but I use it as a clarifying shampoo. And then I have really bad dry scalp, so I go in with Nazoral to help with my dandruff, and I put it on my scalp and I let it sit. I use one of these little scalp things to help, like, you know, clean my scalp. I'm gonna wash that out of my hair, and then I'm going to wash my hair again. I wash my hair 3 times. I'm gonna wash my hair again with this Aussie Total Miracle shampoo because it's just so hydrating and it smells so good. I love Aussie stuff. Go in with this pattern conditioner. This is the medium conditioner. I love this stuff, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do all that, and then we're going to try and do a wash and go. Okay, this is what the results are. It's not dry, like it's still very wet. I used to have like a diffuser attachment for my blow dryer. I don't know where it is, or else I would use it, but I just got done doing this front part. That's why it's so like wet, but not bad for my first time, okay? I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's like fully dry. Anyway, I need to leave in about 10 minutes. So my makeup's done, everything is done. I just need to put on my clothes and go. I don't know why we're in my bathroom today, but here we are. So I'm just ready to go. I have one heel in my hand. I came to get my phone. I'm wearing this button up with this black shirt and this skirt that you cannot see, but it's snake print and it's cute. And the hair now looks like this. Let me do a little turn around. That's what it looks like. I love it. I think it's really cute. It's a little bit uneven in certain parts. I don't know what to do about that. And also I used a foam and a styling gel to do the wash and go. I like it. I like the way it looks. What products do y'all use if you have natural hair and you do wash and go? What products do you use for like your foam and your gel and all that? Because I want to try out some different ones. I also need a hair mask. What hair mask do y'all use? Help me out, y'all. So I need to put on lipstick. I need to get out the house. That's what I need to do.